Every virtual team is a little bit different, and we'll customize the content based on some of your challenges and your issues with your own virtual team.
In this workshop, we'll talk about the difference between task conflict, which can be very productive, and relationship conflict, which can tear people down, and how to be aware of people's values to stay on the correct side.
Best Corporate Events business training and professional development workshops help your teams grow as employees, coworkers, and leaders. These workshops will positively influence individual contributors' career growth and value to your company. Our business training, leadership programs, and event kickoff keynotes can be delivered anywhere in North America. They focus on the critical core competencies required to succeed in today's business environment.
Before the meeting even begins, you should be looking at, are the right people attending? Do we need to have a meeting about this topic right now? And are participants getting the information that they need?
From conflict resolution to time management skills. These impactful workshops can be condensed into 60 minutes or expanded to half or full day sessions. Longer format development workshops take a deeper dive into the subject matter. We combine professional facilitation with an engaging and dynamic approach to learning and retention. We also lead the way in blending professional development workshops with team building.
We suggest shifting your thinking from time management to managing our focus and our intention. This really helps participants understand that not all work is created equal.
Tech-driven improvements have had a significant impact on our ability to deliver effective programs while enhancing true workplace inspiration, whether your team is gathered together in person or working remotely.